Meaning of ill-judged.
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 Ill-judged. Ill-judged means something that has been poorly thought out or poorly considered. It refers to a decision or action made without proper reflection or judgment, and is usually used to describe a situation that has resulted in negative consequences. For example, an ill-judged investment could lead to financial losses, while an ill-judged comment could cause offense or damage to someone's reputation. Ultimately, anything that is considered ill-judged is one that is likely to produce unwanted or unintended results due to a lack of careful consideration or forethought.